you at a transitioning point in your life but struggling to get your head above the water?
You have been trying to acquire so much knowledge and information to equip yourself for taking your life towards the new direction. However, the more information you gain, the more you get confused and you feel overwhelmed.
That's okay, because we have been there too. And in fact, many other people are in a similar situation.
Now, let me explain to you why is it so hard for many people to achieve much progress. In psychology, there are 4 key areas for learning and growth.
First, it is the conscious competence area. It is the things that you know, something that you're good at. That is how you make your decisions.
Second, the conscious incompetence area. These are the things that you know that you don't know, or it could be the things that you are not really good at.
Third is the unconscious competence area that refers to your unique skills or capabilities that you have, which is your second nature, but you haven't fully utilized it yet.
Finally, the unconscious incompetence area. This is your magic area, and that's exactly where you could be missing all the opportunities. Typically, these are the things that you don't know that you don't know.
And because this area is literally outside of your radar, you won't recognize its existence. And that could be the exact reason why you haven't achieved much progress so far.
Unless you have absolute clarity of what are the exact things that you need to do next, you'll begin to expand into this magic area. Otherwise, you continue shooting in the dark and create for yourself even more confusion.
A few years ago, Islam and I have quitted our jobs from the corporate world, and we have stepped out from our comfort zone to pursue our passion. Throughout this journey, we have got the key to manifest the life that we want and have been helping many people like yourself to take the steps towards freedom.
Now, we like to share this key with you too. By joining our upcoming free webinar, you'll discover what are the exact things that you need to do next. You'll gain more confidence toward your direction and the know-how to unlock your gateway towards freedom.
It is absolutely free, so that you can be way ahead from all other people who are still struggling in a similar path.
Want to know how to build your amazing future? See you there!